Hey, it's Ian, and as you might have heard, the world has had 12 straight months of record high temperatures. And with the increase of heat comes more severe weather, wreaking havoc on society. That's why we've compiled a list of must-have items to keep you safe and prepared for those summer storms. Let's take a look. Hey, it's Ian, and today we have one of the most reliable emergency flashlights we've ever carried. Say hello to the Hydrocell. Now, we've all gone to grab a flashlight just to find that the batteries are dead in times when we need them most. But the Hydrocell actually has a shelf life of over 25 years. Let me show you how this advanced technology works. Now, this proprietary battery harnesses the power of water and oxygen to give you light for a continuous runtime of up to 60 hours. That's 2.5 days. Now let me show you how to activate this. It's super easy. Just rip open the package and submerge the battery in water for about 15 seconds. Then shake off the excess water and install it in the flashlight and you're ready to shine. Best of all, this is reusable, so when you've used up all the power, just reactivate the battery with water again and you're ready to go. Now, one thing you'll notice is when you hold this flashlight, it's well made and rugged. Plus, it's even shockproof, weatherproof, and made of corrosion-resistant aluminum. Now, one feature that I really love about this flashlight is the adjustable beam setting. You could go from spot to flood with just a twist of the bezel. Now, this is the perfect flashlight to store in your car for emergencies, to take with you while you're hiking or camping, or to keep in your emergency kit at home for those blackouts. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that while this may not be the brightest flashlight, it's more than adequate to light your way. But one thing's for certain is that this is the most reliable flashlight you could ever own. Now remember, you can store this well over 25 years before you activate it, and all you'll ever need is some water and you're ready to go. Now, we all know that it's really important to be prepared for those emergency situations, and that's where Hydrocell shines. And we have an unbeatable deal on the site, so you might want to grab a couple of these. So head on over there and get yours today. Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the 184-piece first aid kit. But this isn't just your average first aid kit, because this also features items that makes this a survival kit. Now, first of all, I love this case. It's that iconic red, so I can always see it when I need it. Plus, it's truly astounding to me that something so compact can hold almost 200 essential items. Now, as you open this up, you'll find that everything is neatly and individually packaged, making everything easy to find, especially in a case of emergency. Now, this has anything and everything you'll possibly need, like medical and regular tape, a pair of gloves, scissors, and an instant ice pack. And unlike other kits, this even has an emergency blanket and a raincoat. That makes this absolutely essential to take with you when you're hiking or camping. Not to mention the fact that this is lightweight and compact means that you can just throw this in with your other gear. Now, with everything this offers you, this is gonna be great to keep in the family's medicine cabinet. Plus, if you don't already have one of these in your car, you should think twice because you never know what kind of emergencies are gonna be thrown your way. Now, this kit has what you need to treat anything from minor cuts and scrapes to even more severe injuries and sprains. Now, because we have an incredible deal on this will be sure to sell out fast. So head on over to the site and get yours before it's too late.
Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you the new and improved 3-in-1 emergency light bulb. Now, it's called the 3-in-1 because it does 3 different functions. The first and foremost is it's like a traditional LED light bulb that you can use in any standard light fixture. But the second one is actually my favorite. It's got an emergency function. So if the power goes out, this stays on. Now let me explain to you how this works. So if you have the light bulb in the on position and you lose power, it senses this and automatically turns back on. But if your light is in the off position, All you need to do is flip the switch on and you have light. And let's face it, there seems to be more and more power outages. Now the third function is a great one for all kinds of uses. This turns into a flashlight. Simply unscrew the bulb and attach the included base clip. One thing to note is you want to screw this all the way on until the light comes on. Now you've got a flashlight that will last for over 3 hours on a single charge. Functionality is what this bulb is all about. In the flashlight mode, you can take it with you anywhere and help people get to safety. But the other side has a handy hanging clip so you can use it hands-free. It's great for camping or everyday use. Now let me tell you how they improved this. First, it's so much brighter, a full 1,000 lumens when you're using it as a traditional light bulb. Then, the color temperature. It's a nice soft white that is easy on the eyes. And then third, it's ETL listed for safety. Now this is an essential item for the home or for the office. I have one in every room. Now do yourself a favor, count up how many you need, because when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab a few of these today.
Now I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you for watching and enjoying our videos. And if you want to support us even further, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment down below. It really helps us out a ton. Now back to some more awesome products.
Hey, it's Joey and I'm really excited to bring today's deal on the Chili Wrap Neck Gaiter. Now this is going to be your go-to item this summer to cool you off on a hot day. It actually uses innovative cooling fabric that will turn ice cold as it dries. Now how this works is, you take some water, it can be hot or cold water. In our case, we're using really hot water, around 113 degrees, just to demonstrate how powerful the cooling technology is. Then all you do is submerge it, wring it out, give it a few snaps, and as you can see, it dropped 30 degrees thanks to the evaporation process. Now there are so many ways to wear this. You could wear it around your neck, you could use it as a headband, you could wear it underneath a hat, and the nice thing is that it works great as a face covering when you're in a pinch. And remember, it'll keep you cool and stay nice and soft, and plus it's easy to breathe in and out of. You'll be glad you have this with you during your next walk, sporting event, or trip to the beach, because this is gonna keep you ice cold, especially on those hot days. And remember, you can use any water source available, whether it's a hot water bottle from the back seat of your car, or a drinking fountain along the way. One of the reasons why I love this Chili Wrap is because unlike other products on the market, this one evaporates really fast, meaning it won't be dripping wet on you. Plus, it's lightweight and reusable, so you can throw it in the washing machine and use it over and over again. I know we have an awesome deal on the Chili Wrap, and remember, when you buy more, you save more. So make sure you pick up an extra for you and your family. Head on over to the site and add it to your cart today.
Hi everyone, Lisa and Zach here, and we're here to bring you today's deal on the solar-powered power bank by SoundLogic.
Yeah, this is a really awesome power bank. Like you said, it is solar powered, and it actually has a 5,000 mAh capacity, so you can charge up a smartphone a few times from this, and with the 2.1 amp output, you can even charge up iPads, and you can charge 2 devices at once as well.
Now, what really sets this power bank apart from the rest is that it's solar powered, which is awesome, especially if you don't have your cord with you. You could just take this out and the sun's rays will charge the internal battery.
Yeah, and what's really nice about it is it's actually got a green light indicator too that tells you that it is pulling the sun's rays and charging the internal battery. And the cool thing is we actually found that you can just leave this out in some light. The ambient lighting in the office here is actually charging this up. But in case you're in the dark or you don't really feel like waiting for the sun to charge it up, you can just plug this into any USB outlet on the computer, or if you have a wall adapter, and charge it up that way.
Now this power bank is no bigger than your average cell phone, so you can take it wherever you go. Take it on your next camping trip, hiking, even to the beach. It even has this nice little loop at the top.
Yeah, so you can throw a carabiner on here if you've got one laying around, or just use a piece of string and lace it to your backpack. So while you're hiking, this is charging up in the sun and it's ready to use when you need it. Now, if you hit the power button, the indicator is actually going to show you how much juice is left in the bank itself. And if you double click the power button, it's going to activate the LED light on the side. And this is really great for when you're coming home late at night. Say you've got this in your purse and you just see the keyhole. It's perfect for that.
And plus, it's also water resistant, and the rubber edges makes it shockproof. Now, it does come in blue and green. There's no color choice, but it doesn't matter because we have a great deal on it. So head on to the site and check it out today.
Hey, it's Ian, and as we all know, driving in bad weather can be dangerous and downright stressful. That's why we have a 2-pack of the Battle Vision Storm glasses. which makes driving in these terrible conditions much more manageable. Let's take a look at the commercial.
It's raining, it's pouring. During bad weather, driving can become downright dangerous. So the next time a storm is coming, trust Battle Vision Storm, the revolutionary glare reduction glasses that turn your sight bright during bad weather at night or during the day. Watch your ordinary vision become extraordinary.
Wow, it's so clear. It's dusk, but I can really see.
Oh wow. Honestly, for how dark it is out here right now, these are incredible.
Battle Vision Storm uses light optimizing lenses that block blue rays so you see clearly in heavy rain at night or blinding snow during the day. Heavy rain, snow, sleet, or fog can make it impossible to drive. Not with Battle Vision Storm. And they're not just for storms. They turn night to bright, even in perfect weather. Blinding sunlight or headlights cut the glare instantly. Dark traffic signs, see them with confidence. Blurry lane markers, turn clear and visible. Wow! Even objects in your side and rear view mirrors are easier to see. And Battle Vision Storm go head-to-head with the toughest conditions. Whether you're driving through smoke-filled air from wildfires, or you're on a boat getting crushed by the sea, and they're guaranteed for life.
Now, every time we get a set of Battle Vision glasses, they sell out quickly because you guys absolutely love them. Now, these make fantastic gifts. Remember, these come in a 2-pack, so count up how many you need and get yours before it's too late. And that does it for our list. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We pride ourselves on having the lowest and most affordable prices around. But if you want even more savings, don't forget to sign up for our text deals where you get exclusive pricing on some of our hottest items. And remember, head on over to our new and improved website at pulsetv.com for our full catalog of products. Thanks for watching.